What's up guys, welcome back to Michigan Muscle. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool car hack that I found out that you can do for less than $20, and it's restoring your leather back to basically how you got the car from the manufacturer. I saw it in one other video that was like one of those random like Facebook posts. I've never seen it around anywhere else. I've been searching everywhere on how to do this, and I finally figured it out and it works, and I want to show you guys. Come check this out. So I already did a small portion just to kind of test it on my center console, the armrest, and as a lot of you guys know, like humans, they're naturally oily. Like you touch a car, you get a little bit of grease on it, it builds up over time. This car's got almost 30,000 miles on it. I bought it with 24, but that's not a lot of miles. But if you take a look at my seats, at these competition seats, they're shiny. Look at the headrest. The headrest still looks pretty nice. It's got a nice satin matte finish to it. Now I'm gonna blow your minds. Look at the center console. This is what it used to look like, and I got this nice satin look out of it from this really simple method that is literally, it's gonna blow your mind. It blew my mind, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about it. So what I've been using is, I bought this Chemical Guys interior detailer, and I'm sure you can use a Dawn dish soap or something else to make the cost cheaper. That's why I say 20 bucks, because this is probably the majority of the cost. But I use this, it worked for me. Try it out. So you need one of these. You're gonna need some microfiber cloths. I like to use a little bristle brush. This is helpful for me. And then the trick here, guys, the secret ingredient, the secret formula for this is a scrub pad for dishes. And check that out. I mean, you can see there's nothing special about it. It's just a scrub pad you'd probably find under your mom's kitchen sink. You know, you can go to the dollar store and buy a pack of these things, and it's not that aggressive. It's slightly abrasive. Go look on Amazon. This is the key, and it won't hurt your leather, trust me. So check this out. Let's dive in. I'll give you a little how-to. Show you guys I'm not BSing you. I'm gonna tape off another section on the center console, and I know I already did a comparison, but there's a lot of detailed videos out there that don't show every process. I want to show you guys this because it again blows my mind. I'm going to tape this off again. Whoops, out of tape now too. Let's do a little section, and it's a little cold in the garage, so the tape doesn't want to stick too well. But again, I'm taking my Chemical Guys interior cleaner and just kind of spritzing it on there. Now I'm going to take my brush, and this is the important part, kind of saturate the brush. Right, this is how it'll all foam up. And this just kind of lifts up the oils that are loose on there, because you don't need to scrub necessarily for the loose stuff, but this just agitates everything and works in the product. Make sure you get in your stitching, because this gets nasty too. Alright. All foamed up. Now, the most important part, secret sauce. Take your foam pad. I like to get a little bit on there. Then literally it's not aggressive this way, it's aggressive this way. It's just, again, a cheap foam pad. I go in little circles, and I'm sure there's some detailer out there that's going to comment and say, that's horrible, what are you doing to your leather? How could you do that? Well, this works really well. And you want to make a lot of passes just to really exfoliate the leather and get as much oils out as you can. Don't want to miss any sides. Again, get the stitching. And when I do that, I told you guys how it's not really aggressive in this direction, this vertical direction. Actually, on this screen, it's vertical for you that way. So what I do is I go with the stitching to make sure I don't damage it, because the last thing I want is to go, you know, perpendicular to the stitching and have it fray and look bad. So I try to go, you know, with the grain. Light to medium pressure, depending on how bad your area is. All right, you can see it's a little dirty too. Now, I bring 2 microfibers. One of them's dirty, I don't really care about, just to get the excess liquid off. Right? And then the other one that I use is cleaner, and this just gets off all the other moisture. So I'm going to peel this tape off. This is going to blow your minds. Look at that. That's insane. I mean, this, you can easily tell the difference between the shiny leather and then this newer leather. And again, I don't know what this is on my center console. That's probably damage from a previous owner or some other type of something. I don't know what that is, but that's not from your oils. But this, I mean, this leather looks brand spanking new again, you know. So it's just an awesome hack. And I mean, look at the seats. I mean, this is probably from wearing a tank top in the summertime, and you know, your armpits are right here and you're sweating down the side of the seat. This is going to look brand new as well. And I mean, guys, if you're gonna sell a car, right, I mean, this is something you can do that doesn't take very long at all, that will instantly increase the value of that car, because everything looks brand new. If you guys haven't seen already, I've got a video on how to restore suede. I restored the shift knob right here, and I also restored the steering wheel, because I'm sure, as a lot of you know that have, you know, performance cars with Alcantara or suede, that it gets matted down and nasty. And watch my video, I'll post the link up in the corner to click on it. But that's, again, it's something else you can do that doesn't take very long, that will make the car look brand new again. So I'm gonna go through, if you guys want to see and clean the rest of these seats. I'll probably do a time lapse, but if not, thanks for watching, guys. This was the main thing I wanted to show you, the biggest hack. But again, if you're looking for some satisfying video after this, stick around, because I'm going to do the rest of the leather in the car. All right, here is the final result of the seat. This looks brand spanking new. Center console looks brand new as well. The suede's still looking good. I need to redo that at some point. But then in comparison, here's the old seat. You can see just how shiny it is along here. And I really do think like this is still a little shiny too, but I think that that could be leatherware. But I mean, in comparison, like this all looks brand new, especially the center console. I can't get over that, but I'll do the other seat and probably the door panels, you know, separately. But just to, again, to give you guys a taste of this, I really wanted to show you what this is capable of. So as always, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're able to learn something today and really enjoy this trick, this really helpful leather trick that I learned, and hopefully you're able to use it on your cars. So if you were, comment below, let me know. I love when you guys are able to learn something here. But as always, please like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button to see more content. Thanks for watching.